10 Wealth Building Strategies. Unleash your financial potential and secure your future. Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Get ready to unleash your financial potential with our viral video, 10 Wealth Building Strategies. Unleash your financial potential and secure your future.
I'm Alec, your guide to unlocking the secrets of financial success and building a prosperous future.
Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most incredible wealth building strategies that have been buzzing across YouTube and Facebook. In this video, we've curated the top 10 strategies that will empower you to take control of your finances, grow your wealth, and secure a bright financial future. Let's dive into the world of financial success. Strategy number 1, the power of compound interest. Discover how compounding can work wonders for your investments and accelerate your wealth growth. We'll explain the concept in simple terms and show you how to harness its potential to build substantial wealth over time. Strategy number 2, creating a budget that works. Learn the art of budgeting and gain control over your finances. We'll guide you through the process of creating a realistic and effective budget that aligns with your financial goals and helps you make smarter spending decisions. Strategy number 3, embracing a savings mindset. Discover the importance of saving and how it lays the foundation for financial stability. We'll share practical tips on how to save more effectively, from automating your savings to finding creative ways to cut expenses. Strategy number 4, the magic of investing. Uncover the secrets of investing and how it can grow your wealth exponentially. We'll demystify the world of stocks, bonds, and other investment vehicles, and provide valuable insights on building a diversified investment portfolio. Strategy number 5, building multiple streams of income. Explore the concept of generating income from various sources and how it can provide financial security and accelerate wealth creation. We'll discuss side hustles, passive income streams, and entrepreneurship as avenues for additional earnings. Strategy number 6, the art of debt management. Learn how to manage and eliminate debt effectively. We'll provide strategies for reducing debt, consolidating loans, and improving your credit score, empowering you to regain control of your financial life. Strategy number 7, investing in real estate. Discover the potential of real estate investments in building long-term wealth. We'll discuss different real estate strategies, such as rental properties and real estate investment trusts, REITs, and provide tips for successful investing in this lucrative asset class. Strategy number 8, maximizing retirement savings. Secure your future by maximizing your retirement savings. We'll guide you through retirement account options, such as 401ks and IRAs, and explain the power of employer matching and tax advantages in building a robust retirement fund. Strategy number 9, protecting your assets with insurance. Learn the importance of insurance in safeguarding your financial well-being. We'll discuss different types of insurance, including life, health, and property insurance, and help you make informed decisions to protect your assets. Strategy number 10, continual education and growth. Invest in yourself by continually learning and improving your financial knowledge. We'll share valuable resources, books, and courses that can expand your financial literacy and empower you to make informed financial decisions. And there you have it. The 10 wealth building strategies that will unleash your financial potential and secure your future. Remember, financial success is within your reach, and by applying these strategies, you can create a life of abundance and financial freedom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe too. Thanks for watching.